And then you also mentioned you have a bunch of technical people. And you mentioned some like internal apps and softwares. So like what kind of stuff are you guys building? Or I think you said 30% of your people are technical. Like what are they doing that that doesn't already exist in the market from a tools or software standpoint?
Sure.
Yeah.
Maybe I can talk a little bit about that. I think so. For every single function, there are things which are specifically for OpenStore, like to help us operate these brands. So many brands within one team, and then there are some to really generate performance from a particular part of the business. So one that is more infrastructure focused is what we kind of coin internally, like our promo engine, for example. And so what this is that one person or one team can effectively load up, a brand's entire promotional calendar, the discount code usage, some of the email templates, et cetera, that business is going to need for pretty much an entire year. And so that, without any touching, is going to update hero banners. It's going to update the offer code activations, et cetera, across the portfolio. And all we have to then do is monitor performance and actually make tweaks if we need to. So that's an example of more like an infrastructure piece. And I think recently a very big thing for us in terms of performance has been, for example, using AI in customer support. So, for every D2C brand, every merchant out there knows you have to look after your customers, and the bigger you grow, the more of that you have to do. And so for us, we realized that this was something that technology could really generate a lot of efficiencies for us. And so I would say today, OpenStore easily has one of the best, customer support AIs for customers for e-commerce today. And today, I think we're automating around 60 to 70% of all interactions with customers. And so with really, really high customer satisfaction scores. And so that these things enable us to generate performance out of each part of the operating platform, but also allow us to gain a lot of leverage as we try and operate all of these brands every year.
That's awesome. And that 60 to 70%, did you see like a drastic cut down in headcount required for customer service as a result?
We did. I think it's also, as you're growing, you just don't need to add as many new people to the squad as well. And so as well as, the automating away of tickets, there's also the side of helping the existing agents that we have be even more valuable to OpenStore. And so we have tools that we built for new heads up displays for them to ask questions to an AI database rather than needing to escalate. Should I do this return? Should I manage this in this way, etc. And so that allows us to not only not continue to expand that part of our operating expenses, but also get higher efficiency out of the people that we have. And then also better customer interaction so that customers are answered quicker, they're happier, and we can maximize the retention and the relationship with those customers.